Today we're just going to make a little video here to show you how to put on and take off the outriggers on your Freedom Wheels bike. So for starters, the first step is pull out the little pin. Yep, just like a bobby pin. Then take out the next piece. Now it's good to keep these together just because they're a bit small, you don't want to lose them. Then to take the wheel off, just slide downwards and the wheel will come off the back here. Now we've done the left side of the bike. You do have a left and a right. So we'll just show you here that you won't be able to put this on the right side because the pin is off center. So to pop the wheel back on the bike, which we've got the right one on, opposite to how you took it off. Slide the wheel upwards, slide the pin through, and the trickiest bit here is just making sure that the holes are in line. And the last little piece is just your little pin to keep it all secure. And that's how to remove and put on the outriggers.